The world is a big place, and as time went on, games have had barriers, making them locked to certain regions, and while software was one means to do the job, physical barriers were also introduced. Luckily for us, a number of games only had the physical barrier in place, and the N64 is one of the easiest to get around. Hi, Pedro here, and today we're gonna make an N64 region free, as well as talk about a little bit about what's been done. Now you may be saying to yourself, but Pedro, why? And if not use that, then we could just cut the tabs on the cartridge tray. And to that I say, shush! You're saying the quiet part out loud, because we know. Without alternatives, there's no competition. There's no innovation. I see you in the comments. I see you. Here are 3 cartridge trays. The top being the NTSC tray that fits this cart nicely. The middle is NTSC-J, and the same cart doesn't like it. This is because of the difference in the molded tabs that make up the physical region lock. Lastly, there's the classic region free cart mod that we have, which has 0 tabs, so any cart will fit. These typically go for around 10 bucks. This set of twins is my way of achieving the same goal using less material and a means to ship out in bulk much easier than the current design at large. You can pick these guys up at renewedgamingrelics.com. Now let's get these installed into an N64. This will take less than 10 minutes to do, and you'll just need a game bit screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the 6 game bit screws on the bottom of the shell. Take off the top shell and remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the tray in place. Insert the 2 new brackets where the tray was and screw them in place. A perfect fit with the littlest wiggle room. No obstruction to the slot covers, and they move nice and freely. Finally, place the top shell back onto the N64 to complete the job. Quick, simple, and easy. Now this N64 can play Japanese and US games. But this doesn't mean that it's necessarily region free. So saying that the mod is region free is not entirely correct. Now for the N64 to be truly region free, you need the UltraPif mod by Jago85 to play NTSC and PAL games. Jago08 is supposedly working on an update for the UltraPif mod using the RP2040, but I haven't seen any updates to the GitHub page. I stumbled onto a blog by Amber Vision that was about a revival project for the UltraPif, which seems very interesting. While I haven't seen any updates on that front, I do look forward to seeing what comes next. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.